दोस्तों, दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट एक न्यू स्कीम लाने वाली है, जो कि आप अपने व्हाट्सएप के माध्यम से ही मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट हो गया, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस हो गया और जो भी सर्विसेज अभी जो ई सर्विसेज, डिस्ट्रिक्ट सर्विसेज जो दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट अभी अपने साइट से दे रही है, जहां हमें वहाँ अथॉरिटी में जाना होता है, लाइन लगनी होती है, बनवाना पड़ता है डॉक्यूमेंट, उसके लिए अपॉइंटमेंट लेना पड़ता है, वो सारा चीज अब व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू होगा, घर बैठे आपका होगा। अब घर बैठे आप डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं व्हाट्सएप मोड से। तो ये गवर्नमेंट जो दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट है वो स्कीम लाने जा रही है। तो ये न्यूज़पेपर का कटिंग है, एक बार इसको देखते हैं इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं, कैसे लाएंगी गवर्नमेंट, उसको समझते हैं। सून अप्लाई फॉर मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट और ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस ऑन व्हाट्सएप। Need to apply for a marriage certificate, caste certificate, or driving license. Soon, Delhi residents will be able to access all these services through their phone via WhatsApp. Official says the Delhi government is planning to launch the initiative called WhatsApp Governance, and residents will be able to apply for service, verify document, and download certificate, all from the comfort of their homes. Through this service, citizens of Delhi can avail multi departmental service from the convenience of their WhatsApp account without the need for additional application or physical visit to government offices, thereby improving accessibility, transparency, and governance efficiency, said a senior official. The previous AAP government had launched a similar doorstep delivery scheme, which provided access to more than 30 services across government department from the convenience of a person home. Reported in June that the scheme, which has been inactive for over a year, is likely to be discontinued soon. For the past year, people have struggled with long queues and sought just to get basic certificate. To ease this, the government is working to launch the WhatsApp governance initiative using AI and modern technology to make public service more accessible, said a senior government official. The new project aims to strengthen citizen service delivered by integrating key services with the WhatsApp platform using its API and generating Gen AI capabilities, a senior official said. Officials said initially 25 to 30 service available on the district portal and other department will be added to the WhatsApp governance platform. More services will be added gradually. They explained a dedicated mobile number will be generated for the platform. Citizen can send a hi to the number on WhatsApp to begin the process. They will direct it to different department where they can apply for a service and fill out form. Following a verification process, the certification can be downloaded from WhatsApp through QR mode. The platform will also feature an AI-powered multilingual chatbot, initially a Hindi and English, for improved user experience, service automation, and intent recognition. It will also be used to share information about departmental scheme via text message, image, and video to the public, said officials. This is a part of Delhi broader digital transformation strategy to make public service more intuitive, responsive, and available 24 into 7. Initially, the platform will integrate with key department and later expand across all others. Service will also be linked with Delhi e-district portal and other platform for a unified access, said the official. Officials said the government is also likely to rope in Meta, formerly Facebook, for the project. Officially said the IT department which is working on this project will invite bids from qualified WhatsApp business solution provider BSPS and Meta partner to design, develop, and implement the WhatsApp based e-governance platform. The success of this project will be measured by citizen satisfaction and transparency in governance, added official. To ensure inclusivity, especially for those who don't know how to use WhatsApp and who do not have a smartphone or internet access, the government plan to set up common service center. जिनके पास ये अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है उनके लिए अलग से एक CSC कॉमन सर्विस सेंटर भी खोले जाएंगे across all districts. Citizen can visit any CSC to access e-district service for a nominal fee of Rs 50, said official. The app doorstep delivery scheme ended in November 2023 and was extended until March 31, 2024. A proposal for further extension from the Administrative Reform Department was sent to the cabinet ahead of the Lok Sabha polls. However, the scheme was never extended as the then Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was arrested in the excise policy case. The scheme helpline number 1076, which had lost over 1.4 lakh call in 2023, has since gone inactive, officials said. तो फिर से दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ये स्कीम को ला रही है, जहाँ पे आप सारे जो भी आपके जो हम डॉक्यूमेंट्स है अप्लाई करते हैं, जैसे मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट हो गया, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट और जो भी सर्विसेज हम लोग जो दिल्ली सर्विसेज के साइट से ये करते हैं, अप्लाई करते हैं, वो सारे अब आपके व्हाट्सएप पे लाने का विचार चल रहा है। थैंक यू।